Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Cricbuzz app is not responding, not working on your Android device. So as you can see guys, same error I also facing. So finally I have got the simple and easy solutions to fix this error. So let's get started. So when you are facing this type of error guys, just you need to close your app. Just tap on close app. After closing the app guys, now what you need to do, just you need to check your internal storage was free or not. If the internal storage is not free, you can 100% face this type of error guys. Not only on Cricbuzz, you can also get this error on your another apps games. Just you need to clear the internal storage. Just uninstall unwanted apps, videos, games, images. Just free up your internal storage. After clearing the internal storage guys, 100% it will fix your problem. Still, if you are facing same type of error after clearing internal storage, now what you need to do, go to your phone settings. In the phone settings, go to apps and notification, and here you need to find out the Cricbuzz app on your phone. Just scroll down and here you can get the app. Just tap on it, go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of this app. Okay, after this guys, just you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem. In case still your problem was not solved, now what you need to do, you need to update the Cricbuzz app from your Google Play Store. So if the app update was available, go to the Google Play Store and simply update the app. That's it. This is the final solution. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.